Orthospec is used to treat patients with chronic arthritis that have not been responding to steroids. With this machine, you can treat all sorts of arthritis. This therapy is used in patients who have malunion fractures. Normally, the conventional method is that you have to open up the patient and then reset the bones. But with this machine, the new technology, you don't need to open up the patient. With the shock waves, it breaks up the callus, and then you can reset the bones from outside without opening up the patient. And it's good in patients, especially the sicklers, who have avascular necrosis of the head of the femur. Because what the machine does is that it creates new blood vessels into those areas where you have the blood supply being compromised.
The future of medicine is here in Nigeria. It is time to equip our hospitals, reduce medical tourism,